Watch this video to discover the endless possibilities of BQM designs. With the BERNINA 790 Ultra, you can not only position a BQM design with pinpoint accuracy, but also crop it to any shape you like. Now there's another highlight with the BERNINA 790 Ultra, having the full control over the shape of a quilt design. That's what makes quilting so much fun. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And to make sure not to miss any more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. I activate crop in the quilt functions. The grayed out field will be removed when you confirm. Both the line and the points can be moved. Reset undoes the changes. In addition, the line can be rotated, either by 90 degrees or in incremental steps. My tip, the magnifying glass feature makes it easier to check the enlarged area. This is how quickly and easily I get my quilt designs into the shape I want. Another option is to crop the quilt design to fit the shape of the embroidery hoop. Any stitches outside the embroidery hoop will automatically be trimmed off. To do this, I'm replicating a BQM design. My tip: do not activate any reference points, otherwise the design will be converted to an EXP format and will no longer be infinitely scalable. Move the border and group it. Duplicate the border as many times as needed to fill the embroidery area. All start points are at the top, which would result in unwanted connecting stitches running across the patterns. That's why I flip start and end of every other border to embroider the design continuously. Now I'm enlarging and moving the embroidery design so that my embroidery area is filled. I select the quilting functions and crop, and then cut to fit the shape of the embroidery hoop to remove all stitches outside the embroidery hoop. The distance to the embroidery hoop can be adjusted. Connect the designs to embroider them continuously. I can select either sewing or jump stitches. The design fills the entire embroidery hoop. This feature is especially helpful for projects that are quilted before being cut. Was this video helpful? Then give us a like. And to make sure not to miss any more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.
BERNINA, made to create.